Cresthill, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make biltong. Biltong is a South African beef jerky. It is pretty much like a beef jerky in the States, except it's dried in the open air and it's not cooked. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so the first thing you need are your ingredients. Here's what they are. Okay, so your first item is 2 kilograms of steak, a cutting board and a knife, a mixing bowl, mine's pretty big because I'm making a lot this time, and your special spices. You're gonna get some biltong seasoning, some red wine vinegar, and some Worcestershire sauce. Let's go. Okay, so the first step is to cut your 2 kilograms of meat into thin strips. Here we go. I'm finished. Okay, so now that we've got our meat, I'm gonna set it to the side and let's make this marinade. So first, 100 milliliters of red wine vinegar. Then, 50 milliliters of Worcestershire sauce. 6 tablespoons of biltong spice. And I like it a little spicy, so some chili flakes. Now, there's some mixture up. Okay, so now that I got my meat slash biltong and my marinade, we're gonna mix them all together. So, a little marinade. We have to mix. So now that it's all nice and mixed in, as you can see, we're going to refrigerate it for about 4 hours or overnight pretty much because it's almost nighttime. And we're gonna refrigerate it and then we're gonna hang it up. See you tomorrow. Okay, so now that our steak slash meat has been soaked for a little bit, we're gonna hang them up. So I already have some paper clips in them, but you just take a paper clip, slip it through the meat, hang it on this rack. And now a few hours later, the biltong is nice and ready. Delicious.